Here's an old Montgomery Ward's Airline brand wooden cased battery operated tube radio from around 1937. These were known as farm radios because they were often found in rural areas that didn't have electricity. The main reason I picked up this radio is because of the dial arrangement. Looks like an old rotary dial telephone, and I think the idea behind that was that you could program your favorite station in each position and put your finger in the correct hole and turn the dial until it stopped. I believe that's the way that worked. Cabinet's kind of beat up on this radio. It's got some veneer damage, and as you can see there on the side. And here's the chassis in the radio. This is a 7-tube chassis with 4 of the tubes being in the audio circuit. Has an oscillator / mixer tube, an IF amplifier tube, a detector tube, a first audio tube, an audio driver tube, and 2 audio output tubes. And there's the speaker. The voltages required for this radio are 90 volts for the B+ voltage, 2 volts for the filament voltage, and 6 volts for the bias voltage. And of course the correct battery packs for these radios haven't been made in decades, so you either have to build a battery pack using modern batteries, or you have to build a power supply that will allow the radio to operate on AC household current. And the chassis is loose in the cabinet, which worries me when I see that. It makes me wonder what I'm going to find when I pull it apart. But anyway, there's my 1937 Ward's Airline farm radio. A project for another day, but I'll get to it eventually. Okay, there you go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.